Tired of misplacing your keys, bag, or even your pet? There's a simple solution to keep track of everything. Introducing the molosleeve AirTag holder case with keychain. This smart accessory is designed to keep your AirTag secure and your valuables always findable. It's the ultimate peace of mind for your everyday items. Crafted from premium hard PC material, this holder offers shockproof and anti-scratch protection. It snaps on easily, ensuring a perfect, snug fit for your AirTag. Plus, it won't interfere with your AirTag signal. Attach it to your car keys, backpack, luggage, or even your dog's collar. With multiple color options, you can match your style while keeping track of what matters most. It's incredibly versatile for any item you want to monitor. With a stellar 4.6-star rating from over 11,000 reviews, customers love its functionality, ease of use, and great value. It's even a #1 bestseller in men's keyrings and keychains, over 10,000 bought just last month. Ready to stop the search? Click the link below to get your molosleeve AirTag holder case today. Secure your valuables and enjoy peace of mind. Don't wait. Grab yours now.